So at some point I decided that I want to build a cockpit simulator for Farming Simulator 19. The thing is that I don't play it on a PC, I just play it on an Xbox. Therefore I was thinking to build this cockpit, you know, with a lot of button panels and you know, joysticks and stuff, like the people are doing it for Euro Truck Simulator mostly. But what I noticed, the people are doing it mostly for PC because it's very easy to assign buttons and new controls and to get a small board that has a driver, you know, that is just plug and play, and you press a button that you add and you map it to a control in the game. Unfortunately for Xbox it's not so easy to do this because you don't have the communication protocol with the controller, between the controller and the Xbox. There are some versions for Arduino, but since I have a big number of buttons that I want to read and a big number of outputs, it's not so easy to scale this program to, I don't know, to something very big. And a part of that, I'm not so good in programming. Therefore I was looking to find a solution how to do this. The first part, it's simple, you just put some panels and some buttons, but then how do you connect them to the Xbox? Well, again, the problem is not so complicated for simple controls because you have all those buttons on the joystick. If I want to play, for example, in Y or B, I just open the case and I just solder two wires on the B button, so then whenever I connect them externally, the button will be pressed. This is not so complicated, and I did it. But then the problem is with this type of controls where you have key combination. So how do you make sure that you press, for instance, for activate tool, first time the left button and then the X? Again, the problem is about pressing two buttons at a time with a single button and about timing. This is how the time diagram looks. So this is the button that I want to press to attach the tool or to activate the tool. So then I need an output that will press the left button exactly when I press the big button, and then the second output of my button would be the X for activate tool. But I need some delta here, some delay. So how to do this in a simple way? Well, there's no simple way. I tried it electronically. I got to some really complicated circuits. And the use case again for this is, imagine you want to press, I don't know, you're on a PC and you want to type the capital A. Imagine that you have to press the shift button, keep the shift button pressed, press the A button, release the A button, and then release the shift. So this is exactly what I did in this time voltage diagram. If you don't do this and you press just the button simultaneously or randomly, you risk that the A button will be pressed before shift, therefore you will write the small a and not the capital A. Okay, this is just to show you a small example about how the cockpit will look like. It is still in progress, but I came up with a mechanical solution for this double layer button press, and I will show it to you in a second.